Good morning, viewers. So I got a surprise in the mail and I wanted to share it with you. So I'm going to do a little unboxing. So first of all, this came on top. My own tool bag, which is pink because I love pink. Obviously, if you watch my video, you know I love pink. So I got my own tool bag now. So let's see what we have inside. So we have my own bit driver and it's pink. How cute is that? So I'm going to teach you a little bit about tools here in case you don't know what they're called. And you can surprise somebody and they say, hey, go get me a tool. And you'll be like, mic drop, I know what that is. So anyway, this is a bit driver. This, it's all pink and black, my favorite. Okay, so I got my own channel locks. See? Whoop, whoop. Put them in there. And these, oh, get out there. Okay, and these are slip joint pliers. See? Womp, womp. Hello. Okay, so this is a stubby flat blade or a regular tip. See, it's flat. Boop. It's so cute. It's got these little grippy things on there. Hammer. Get in there, bag. Look at this cute little bag. I'm loving it. Allen wrenches. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Different sizes. Phillips screwdriver. See? Oh. Who doesn't need a good pair of scissors? And, oh my God, I love these. Precision screwdrivers. Look at all those. See? You put it in and then you go. All different sizes. Flat blade, regular. Okay. Phillips screwdriver with the nice grippies. Oh, I love this. I'm so excited. I hope you're excited. And here are my bit. I got a bunch of different size bits. Regular, flat blade, fit. My own little, for my bit driver. So if I need different sizes, I got sizes. Flat blade screwdriver. Flat. Or regular. Utility knife. Who doesn't need a good utility knife? Ooh, be careful. Refills for that utility knife. And look how good this is. Oh, my own tape measure. And a level. Look at this beautiful level. And it's got the magnet, so when I set things on it, I can make sure it's level. How cute. A stubby Phillips. Woohoo. Pink zip ties. Now, who needs pink zip ties? I do. Flat blade. Nice and pink. How cute are these? Needle nose pliers. And all the little doohickeys you need. Little nails, little hooks, little screws. Hang your pictures. Because normally when I do things, I'm like, oh, yeah, that looks good. So now I have a level and I can do all that. And that's it. So I got my own tools now just for the Fix-It Lady. So if you like this video, just wanted to share with you, press that red subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. Talk to you later, guys. Have a great day.